Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for watching for this video. Now I'm gonna show you how we are going to dismantle this engine for the 3408. This is the 3408. Now we are going to remove that crankshaft. I won't show you how we are going to remove this crankshaft. Okay, you see, we're going to put one bolt here, and the other side has a bolt also. Then we are lift it. Okay, so Simon, can you explain how we are doing this? How we are remove this?
Just putting a bolt
crankshaft
at one end, we put another bolt and on other end, and you use a crane.
All right.
To lift it up.
Okay. Then
after lifting it up, then you check inside the bearing.
what you are going to check?
We check if
The what? This is Simon, and this is right, and this one is Apetus. It's not a mix, huh?
Apetus 1 in the mix.
Apetus 1 in a mix. You understand what the meaning of that?
Mix everything.
Mix everything. Don't make me confusing also. He say he's mixed. He mixed water or oil or something. Or
Everything.
I don't know
All
what the
the
meaning of that thing is.
mix oil,
Mix oil, mix oil, or mix sand, or mix with the girls. I don't know what the meaning of that. So now they're going to remove this crankshaft. See, slowly, slowly. Okay. Now they are removed, but still hard because it's not correct position. Maybe they are going to position this bolt to other hole. You see they have hole here. You see. No. Oh, it's okay. They are removed already. After that, they are going to put on the pallet or on the wood to support of this crankshaft. See, this is my people. This is my technician. They have do it to dismantle this engine. Some of this component for this engine is here. It's here. Some is on the table. See that, and some also in the wash part. Okay, when we have done everything to dismantle of this engine, we are going to wash on this in this area. Okay, this is the wash part, wash area. So we are going to wash on this. After that, we are going to inspect all of that engine component. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. If you like this video, then you can put some comment on under. Thank you very much. See you next and for the other video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.